Assalamu alaikum friends. In this lesson we will discuss about timer on delay and how to use in this timer in TIA Portal V16 for PLC S7-1200. First of all we open our project and maybe we try to open this our project. It's better. Maybe if this project is saved, this will be open successfully. If not open successfully, we will make it new project. Now we open our PLC, that program blocks, go to the main OB. And that last our previous lecture. It took little time. Yes, it's running. Now we remove this program and we will make it new logic here. Now here we first use that timer on delay. First we use this TP timer. Now we use that timer on delay. And here I give 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And here I put one data register for past times here. In this program I will download to the PLC. And then load. This timer how works? For example, I give this signal I0.0. That timer starts after 3 seconds. Our Q0.0 will be on. See this 3 seconds after our Q0.0 on. First TP timer is continuously on and started after 3 seconds will be off. But in this TON means timer on delay. How much time you put it here, and after this time your output will be on. And what is the difference this in between setting from internal or setting from HMI? How we use, I show you now. Here I will put here add new block, then go to the data block, hit OK, on time, start time, START, start TN time, and here I put deboard, double board data, and I make it here retain and put start time. This one D word, and I put here D10. I put no problem for only showing the MD10 and this I download to the PLC and click load. And I make it simulation on, and I will put data at this area, at this timer. I will go to the decimal because of for showing you will see the easy. I put 5000, still not go into the, sorry, not this one. I like to show this data, display monitor, and decimal. This will be show, and this also will be showing in decimal. It's already in decimal. And see, when I give the signal, this will, oh sorry, I not give that output coil first. Also I have to give one output coil, that you go here, we put Q 0.1 and then again download and load. Make it simulation on. You see, this data is our open hexa decimal 5 milliseconds. Put, and I will start my signal I0.0. You see, this Q0.0 is 3 seconds after on, and this Q0.1 is 5 seconds after on. But what is the, and also this data is retained, not any, if your power supply will be stopped, this data will be no lose the data, because we put this data in retained condition. And this is settable from inside the software. This is data you can put out on HMI. Yani. This is after 5 seconds, and sorry, this is 3 seconds. After this 5 seconds will be on. But what is the yani here interesting thing, these timers are running accurately, but in previous video we use giving only rising edge, only I0.0 we just one give signal and our timers will be accumulate the time and runs. But in this timers, this when you giving the signal, but this your output will be never on, because of here he needs the complete signal from backside journey, and that time and this data will be wait yani. See this signal giving, but this will be not on complete. When your time will be complete, after your output will be on. This is after 3 seconds, this is after 5 seconds. I hope in this video you understand about the use of on delay timer, how to use in the TIA portal. If you not understand anything you can call me. You can send me message on in comment section or email me. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.